3, 2, 1, start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sonil Jain, and I'm the founder and CEO of SOWTEX Network. SOWTEX is a smart sourcing platform for fashion and textile industry. We've got about 10,000 plus users across from Asia who are connected to us on the platform. And today I would like to give a special vote of thanks to Singapore High Commission and to Indian Importers Chambers of Commerce for giving us an opportunity to share my focus about how India can be a potential importer in this particular area in times to come. So in terms of my particular understanding, India in the Indian subcontinent and in the Asia is the second largest in terms of the population after China, and also happens to be one of the largest consumers of textiles. So since that is an area which particularly work on, which is fashion and textile, so I see India as one of the potential importers going forward with such a large consumption going in, and there is an equal reliance of two areas. One is manufacturing and consumption within India, and the second is getting the raw materials into India, getting them into finished products and re-exporting it to the other countries. So while the countries which are, where India has been leveraging as an import partner is primarily from Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, where a lot of, polyester yarn and other fibers which are not competitiveness to the Indian industry are coming in from. And at the same time, there is a lot of opportunities that with new kind of product lines and innovative products, fabrics, trims, accessories, which are coming into India from various countries. Also, where I see as an opportunity is India is currently at about $232 billion in terms of textile and fashion business vertical, which is poised to grow by another 10 to 12% over the course of next 5 years. So we're looking at a huge opportunity within India's domestic market, also towards India's export market. So in the domestic side, with 130 billion people, with 1.3 billion people in the, in terms of the population. So, and the per capita income of Indian consumers going high, there is going to be a lot of demand coming in from the fashion sector, and particularly for raw materials, because the raw materials in the last few months, India has seen there has been a very abnormal increase in the raw material costs. So to balance out the equation in the long term, the import will actually play a wider role into the Indian economy. And that's where I think the supply chain resilience and the topic of, what can be the potential opportunities in terms of the imports to India lies ahead. And I'm happy to talk about more in this subject, but we'll take it further when in the main event. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. My name is Sonil Jain, and I am the founder and CEO of SOWTEX Network. SOWTEX is a smart sourcing platform for fashion and textile industry, and we have about over 10,000 business-to-business users on our platform, helping them connect across Asia for discovery of raw materials, vendors, stocks, capacities. And as we move forward into the new modern age, digitization and platforms will become an important area to connect faster across geographies. And that's where we are, bringing in the cutting edge technologies to help users across from different regions to connect faster. Now, in terms of the opportunity, what is available into India, India is fairly big economy in terms of the imports coming in as well as exports. But with the largest, one of the largest populated countries, There is about 130 crore people, which is 1.3 billion worth of people. And we're looking at one huge consumption in terms of the fashion and the textile ecosystem. A lot of what we have seen in the last couple of days is there is a very abnormal increase in the raw materials within the domestic market. So imports actually helps in balancing the complete equation, and that's what is the, I think, the topic of the for the upcoming event is. This is about India's resilience to supply chain, and what we see is that India is actually not only looking at importing a large quantum of raw material, especially the yarn, fiber, fabrics, but even the new innovative products. So a lot of innovative products are going to be coming in into the country over the next course of few years. And that's what will balance out the entire equation when it comes to creating a regional connect. Plus, there is a host of opportunities for the Asian countries, wherein there is a lot of FTA which has been signed by India and the other countries, where people can look at opportunities of exporting a lot of finished products into India without any additional duty. So it's depending upon the FTA with the country, there's a lot of opportunities coming in from that particular area. Currently, I see imports in India, and especially in the fashion and textile vertical, is nearly about 20-25 billion dollars, and this is going to go up further to about another 50 to 60 billion dollars. The domestic market itself is nearly about 232 billion dollars currently in terms of the size, and it is growing at an average of 10 to 12%. And we're looking at in the 5 years about 500 crores or $500 billion worth of the market which you're looking at within India itself. So I see with this new partnerships, new engagements coming in from various regions, uh, people can look at India as one of the major potential hubs for exporting to India, for especially in case of raw material, and also in sustainable fabric and other fashion product areas. With this, I would like to leave my conversation here, and we look forward to seeing you all at the event on 25th and 26th. Thank you so much.
Thank you so